Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. And today's project we are at Utawala. Here we have an apartment which we are working on. This is the apartment, as you can see. Let us go in so that you can see. For this area is the parking area, and also the apartment will be having a lift. As you can see this space up here, there will be a lift that you use when you want to go up. It will be a six floor apartment containing of 2 bedrooms. So for down here it's a parking. There's a humble parking down here. Then from first floor going up is the residence rooms. So let us go up so that we can see what's up. And for this point that you see here looking like a window, we have a duct, and this duct is the one that we will be using to draw in electrical cables. And we have 2 ducts. The first one is for the electrical cables that you see, that I'm showing here, going all the way up, and the next is the duct for the plumbing. So this one that you see here is for the plumbing, going all the way up. So it's a 2-bedroom house. It's an apartment with 2 bedrooms, and as you can see here, it's a sitting room, and it's a very big space. As you can see here, it's a sitting room here, and at the door here we have indicated, we have placed a switch for this is a switch for the lights. When you get into the room, this is the main door. When you get into the room, you switch on from this point, and also this point, you can access to switch the security light that will be outside. Every house will be having 1 security light outside there, so the person inside the room will be able to control through that switch there. So here also we have a socket, an auxiliary socket. Maybe the person who will be using this room or renting this room can use this as the place to put the fridge, this point here, and also remember, this is a kitchen. We are still working on it. And here we have a balcony where we'll be having a washer here. Here we'll be having a washing machine somewhere here. You can see water has been provided, and also we are putting a socket for which will be used for that washing machine. So that's what's up. So let us go in. This is the corridor that leads us into the bedrooms. You can see we have a common toilet here. Here we have a common toilet. When you have a visitor, we'll be using this toilet here. It's a common toilet. And these bedrooms, we have 2 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own toilet. It has an ensuite toilet. As you can see here, we have a toilet will be somewhere there, and also we'll be having at that point we'll be having a shower. So this room will be for toilet and shower. They'll share that room there. So we are now putting electrical points for the instant showers, and also for the switch lines. So for that space there, it's where we'll be having wardrobes, that space that you see there. So here is the space where we'll be having a bed. So this is one of the bedrooms. Then if we go this way, we have another bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom house. This is a 2-bedroom apartment that we are working on. It's a 2-bedroom apartment that we are working on, and you can see also this one, it's a washroom combined with a toilet. As you can see up there, we'll be having a shower, a shower there, then a toilet at this other side. So continue watching our videos so that I will be updating you on on the progress. So this one you can see we are trying to, when we were doing the points, we put the points for the switches at this corner here, but we changed it. We want to change it to this other area because there will be wardrobes at this point here. There will be wardrobes at this point here, so we don't want to use this switch. So that's why we are transferring the pipes to this other side here. So this wall will be okay because it will not be having a lot of it will be having a lot of space which we can place our switches. Also you can see our wall brackets. So these are the initial things that we do before we do the wiring. So if you do the good piping, when you'll be doing the wiring, it will be very, very simple for you. As you can see, this we have a 50 mm. These are 50 mm conduit pipe. This pipe connects the rooms, and it's the pipe that will be carrying data cables and camera cables. So this pipe will enable us to carry data cables and camera cables. So in this room we are providing access points for the internet. We're providing enough routes for everything that a modern house needs. So continue watching the video till the end.